Hey everyone, welcome to Learning English in 5 minutes. Today's category would be category for daily routine. So what are the vocabulary that you can use in when you're talking about your daily routine? So I'm going to tell you different words that we use and how we use it, and we'll be doing it in comparison. So let's start with at and in. You can say that I am at office. You can also say I am in office. You can say I'm at house or home, or you can say I'm in house or home. So what is the difference? So let's say when someone calls you and I say, hey Misha, where are you? And I'll be like, yeah, I'm at work or I'm at office. When I'm saying I'm at office means I'm talking about general area of my office. I might not be sitting in the private area where my office is, or I might not be in the in my own cubicle, or in on my workstation. Say I might be in the coffee area, or I might be in the cafeteria, or I might be at the parking, or let's say just outside the building. So when I'm not inside my private office or cubicle or workstation, I'll say I am at office. When I'm like sitting on my workstation working here and someone calls me, hey Misha, where are you? So I'll be like, I'm in my office. That means in my private room or area where I'm supposed to work. So that's the difference between at and in. Another example that we can take is, let's say I say I'm at house or I'm in house. When I say I'm in house means I'm inside the premises of my house. It could be my kitchen, it could be my living area, it could be my bedroom, it could be my washroom. So I'm inside my area. When I'm saying I am at house, I could be at my parking or garden area, just nearby and not inside that premises. So that's the difference between in and at. We use daily. I mean, these are the terms that we almost use daily, but we get confused where to use with help of at, or where to apply in. So that's the difference. Okay, moving on to next. Next is the use of on in our daily life. When we say on, we mean that we are touching the top surface of something, and it's in contact. Something is not inside. Like when I say there's a glass and water is inside that glass, right? Just not on top of it. So when I say on, for example, let's say this paper clip is on my hand because it is touching the surface of my hand, or I'm standing on second floor. Because my feet, they are touching the second floor. Something is on it. My laptop is on my bed or on the desk. This bottle is on the table. That means it is touching it. It is not inside it. So that's when you use on in your daily routine, or whenever you use with respect to the things you do, right? Also, when you're using exact day and date, you can use on. Like, I'll see you on Monday, I'll see you on 5th of May, I'll see you on 5th of April, I'll see you on Saturday. So when you're giving specific days and when you're giving specific date, you can say on. And but when you say at, that means you're giving time. See you at 5:30 p.m. It's specific time that I'm giving. Okay, so just remember and do not get confused. I already have a video on it, so just please go through it. I'm going to post the link of that video in the description. Now in when we we use when we're talking about longer period, let's say months, or we're talking about seasons or years, that in winter, in summer. So that's when we use in. Also, when we start our day, we obviously wake up. So we can say in the bed or on the bed, because you're on the bed. So usually when you're sitting, we say I'm on my bed. But when you're laying down, I say I'm still in my bed, right? Or to be more specific, if you say I'm in my room, that means you're inside your room, right? You're sitting inside your room. So wherever you are, on the bed, on the floor, any area which is within your room, you will say that I'm in my bedroom. No matter you're standing, sitting, laying down, doing what. Similarly, you can say I'm in the bathroom, I'm in the kitchen, I'm in the living area. So that's the vocabulary you use. And let's say, for instance, you want to say that I'm at school or I'm at college. That means in the general premises or general area. When you say in, that means I'm in my class. It's specific. You're sitting in the class that you're supposed to sit for the entire day or for that particular class. So then you use in when you're sitting in an area that you're supposed to. But when you say, hey, I'm at my school or at college, that means you could be in any area. You could be in the parking lot. You could be, there at the parking lot, or let's say cafeteria or library or gym, or any theater, any place, right? So that's the difference between in, at, on, that we use in our daily life. Yes, these words are simple. I mean, you can use any words with it, but the only confusion is when we interchangeably use in, at, on without understanding. So hope this video was Yeah, so I hope the confusion is clear. Have a great, amazing day. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.